Afternoon everyone. Here is the demo of our application JARSafari, innovative way to help out student community by using OpenStreetMap routing with custom graphs based system for internal campus paths. So here is our logo JARSafari. So we'll just start the journey. We'll click on this but icon and we'll put our name Ayush, and we'll choose our hostel, hostel O4. Now we can select our favorite locations inside the campus. So I'll basically select football field. So here is the others academic. We'll select computer science department, hostel O4, and we can select from all other sorts. So we'll click on done. So now we are using time based library in JavaScript to fetch the current time. So here is time. So so it'll show recommendation based on the times. We can also manually change the time, like evening. So it'll show the different recommendation based on that time. So here is our favorite section. So we'll go to profile. So here you can see it has stored my name Ayush in hostel O4. Here we can edit our profile, contact us and about us. So now we'll go to explore, and we'll select like I'm currently in hostel O4. So it'll be hostel O4. Now if I have to go to the football ground, I'll choose football field. So here we are using Trie based system for efficient searching. Now we'll just do the search route. So it'll calculate the route, and here we can use the eye icon to fetch more information about it. So it'll take 0.5 kilometer 2 minutes, and now it has 0 stops. So what we can do is we can add multiple stops in the path between, like we can add mechanical engineering department, and we'll do the plus. So it will be our second stop, and now we can add like museum at IIT Jodhpur, and we'll add also this. So it will go from hostel O4 to mechanical engineering department to IIT Jodhpur museum to football field. So we'll just do the search route. Now it will start from our we can also do the terrain map. So it will go from our hostel. It will first go to the second location, which is uh, uh, it will go to the first location, which is mechanical engineering department. Then it will go to the IIT Jodhpur museum, and it will lastly go to our final destination, which is football field at IIT Jodhpur. So here is our app. We have all sort of recommendations. Explore tab. Now the distance would be 2.9 kilometers. The time will be 12 minutes, 2 stops. It has been mentioned all over, and here is our contact information. Thank you.